Good afternoon, and today I'll be doing cookery, some table setting too, and also napkin folding. So let's go. So we're going to make egg toast, egg fried rice, and banana saba soaked with milk. So first we're going to make the egg toast. So to do that, we'll need onions, egg, and some seasonings. For me, I'm going to add chili pepper. Then, pag natapos na natin i-scramble yung egg, we're going to mix the onion along with the chili pepper. Once we are done with the ingredients with the egg toast, iset aside muna natin dahil gagawin muna natin yung egg fried rice. So, to make the egg fried rice, we'll need rice, of course. We can use leftover ones. And 2 eggs and some seasonings. For me, I use the beans and some peppers. So first, we're going to separate the yolk from the egg and then put the egg in the rice and then crack another egg and put it in the yolk bowl. Then scramble the egg and then also mix the rice one with the egg. Then put a pan with oil in the fire and then get the bread and the egg that we mixed. So basically, we're going to mix or soak the bread in the egg. So make sure to flip the egg toast because we don't want it to be burnt. Once the rice is in the pan, we're going to wait a couple of minutes before we put in the egg that we mixed. Then we're gonna mix it. Then after that, we're going to put some seasonings, beans and peppers for me. And then we mix again. Mm.